Hi guys, in this video I'm going to showcase you how to create a SQL server and SQL database in Azure. Okay, you can search on like SQL server. First we have to create a SQL server. Okay, you can search like this. Okay, you will get this one, SQL server. Now click on create. Okay, here you can select the existing resource group. I have already one resource group which I already created. In previous video, I have showcased you how to create this one also. You can check it. Click on selected the existing resource group. Now enter the server name. I'm entering just test server. It's here. So I need to use okay. Here also. Fine. This is the server name I have created. Now I want to apply this to where I can select Central India. Okay. Now here there are three types of authentication method. So generally for our like teaching and education purpose, we can utilize this one. Mostly in real-time example, we use this second option. Okay. Or first option also. SQL authentication. I'm mentioning SQL name. I'm adding the passwords. Okay. On review and create. Click on create again. So guys, it is deploying, and once this deployment completed, right, we have created the SQL server, and it will take like normally 1 or 2 minutes, guys. The server is getting deployed. So guys, deployment is complete. Now let's go to the home tab, and I want to select my resource group or the server which I have created. You can go ahead and insert the resource group also. I'm now going to select this SQL server. Here you can see when I click on this SQL database, the database is not found. So I want to create the database also, right? So go back, okay, and create database. Here, default free trial subscription is coming. Here, select the subscription to manage deploy resource and cost. Use resource group like folders to organize, manage all of your resources. Okay. Now the estimating charge for me it is given. Guys, basically when you are creating it for first time or second time, it give like some towards like some discounts also, guys. Okay. Default setting is provided. If you click on the production, it will give different cost. No, right now default setting I'm using. Okay. So enter the database name. I want to enter the database name. Test DB. Okay. So locally redundant backup storage. I'm selecting zero redundant backup storage. Here, what is this one? Geo redundant, local redundant storage available in all region. Okay. For example, if you want to get the backup for this data, right, you can select these options, guys. Okay. Now I'm just selecting local. Click on create. So the database also deployment is happening. Once it got completed, we will show here. Okay. Okay status like this. Database also got created. Now click on resource. Okay. Now you can see here overview, the server name and connection string. Okay. And connection, if you click on this connection, string, this database can be utilized for the different applications like ADO.NET, JDBC, ODBC for programming purpose, right? They want to connect this data, they can utilize this one. Okay. And for example, if I go to Boru section again, I want to connect this server to my on-premise applications, right? So you can utilize those kind of scenarios also. So this is about this video, guys. Thank you.